Hello everybody, my name is Welcome.
This is Sin of Creativity, and here's how my first seminar at art school went. Alright everyone, thanks for tuning in again today for a little bit of a story session with me. As some of you might remember from the How I Got Accepted to Art School video, I recently applied and got accepted to an art school last year. And even though the first semester is still far away in the beginning of October of this year, I was invited to get some early access deep diving looks in a character and visualization seminar that took place for all current first semester game artists. And boy howdy was it a fun ride, so let's dive right in. So, upon arriving, I was greeted by the secretary, who one could describe as the good soul of the house. She was such a lovely person and greeted me and the other 3 participants for the day, led us to the seminar room and gave us best wishes for the next upcoming 4 hours of sitting session. Yep, this thing took place from 2 to 6 p.m. and that did not include the 3-hour ride on the train I had to take to get there, and arriving an hour later than expected because of the stupid train that first had a delay and then decided to just not arrive at all. So overall a great start to the day, and it really could only go up from there. After getting to the right room, the 4 of us were then distributed to different desks and the seminar began with the professor giving a quick recap on what they did last lesson. The overall atmosphere in the room to me felt a lot like a big LAN party because everyone had their individual desk, PC, gaming chair, headset, and there were some other students linking with us through Discord. It was super chill and most familiar and almost a familiar feeling of chatting with the homies till 3 in the morning on Discord. So huge plus in terms of that. Next up, then was presentations, and turns out everyone had to prepare a presentation for that day's seminar, and guess what those were about? Favorite video games. 4 people were individually talking about what art, content, and design related aspects they liked in their top game contenders. And it was super interesting to see the different approaches in terms of presentational construction and priorities. I learned a lot about the design of certain characters in Overwatch, like Sombra, and why she's extremely shit for the game's health. Got a better understanding of the math behind Five Nights at Freddy's night cycles, and found out that Master Chief and Halo characters in general are based on anime art style. After the presentations, we also got to experience how important it is to make turnarounds of characters before programming them and putting them into a game. Its cruciality for precise character design got very well explained by the examples the professor had provided for us by herself. It was very stunning to see her create good art in a matter of seconds and showed how far I am from completion. All in all, it was a great experience, and I can only advise everyone that might think they can't make it through and might not be successful in this realm, please don't downplay yourself, because the students I witnessed weren't perfect themselves. And even the professor continuously found flaws in her work. No one is perfect, but still everyone thrives to become the best version of themselves. And that's really all that matters. And with that thought, I will end today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I could give you a good perspective of how a seminar takes place and what different things are approached in seminars that include game art aspects. And if you want to give me any feedback also on the drawing I made in the background, then please feel free to write a comment, give a like, or subscribe if you don't want to miss any future content. That's it for me for today. Bye bye.